Technology can be an ally or an enemy. Everything depends on the use and the importance that you want to give it. At the moment, one speaks of a new era that affects the communication of humanity, giving us the opportunity to show an identity, what is constructed through publications, interactions, and personal tastes. That is why we speak of separate worlds, since an independent connection is generated to virtual reality and another to the real one, in which two perceptions coexist. On the one hand, the tangible, and on the other, what happens on the cybernetic side. The dream of virtual reality takes decades in the cultural imagination, projecting what we previously saw as science fiction, and is not only about seeing, but about a complete immersion so that experiences are as similar as possible to reality. The virtual profiles that are created in different platforms and are not manifested uniquely with social networks, also in video games, in learning and educational environments, simulation systems, and in different communities that simulate real environments but that allow interaction and availability 24 hours. A virtual world is a simulated environment prepared for users to interact with each other and with the environment. They are very similar to the real world, becoming an alternative space that was conceived to provide a different form of entertainment both online and offline. However, in recent years we have witnessed the emergence of numerous virtual worlds based on the internet, which have begun to move from the initial purpose of entertainment to a completely new goal, which is likely to extend the capabilities of today's collaborative systems in real time. Nowadays, virtual worlds are equipped with social networking features and online collaboration tools, which transform them into valuable tools for e-learning and remote collaboration. In the health sector, this environment is also present as training for new professionals, allowing interactivity and simulation through role-playing games. The concept of virtual currency in these worlds has allowed converting real money into credits within platforms to buy items or new skills. One of the main advantages of these alternatives is the opportunity to participate with many users simultaneously and the creation of solid communities. However, many users become confused or generate addiction and disorientation with reality.